So I got quite a bit done yesterday. Took me forever. Lack of tools, a little bit. But the turbo side is the shit that took me forever because I had to basically take all the turbos apart. Just because all the bolts were like in the hard place to reach, so I had to take it apart just to take it, pull parts separately, piece by piece, in order to get you know, the wrenches and tools in the crevices. But it's here, it's done. Anybody want some parts? Hit me up. I'm just keeping the block itself. I'm getting rid of the tranny, I'm getting rid of the turbos, I'm getting rid of the manifold, getting rid of the converter, and getting rid of the flywheel. So if you need anything, let me know.